If you want to block someone on Revolut, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure and your interactions are managed effectively. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the contacts. Tap on the contacts icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your list of contacts and recent transactions. Step 3. Find the person you want to block. Scroll through your contacts or use the search function to locate the person you wish to block. Tap on their name to open their profile. Step 4. Access the block option. Once you are on the person's profile page, look for the option that says block or block user. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm the block. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to block this user. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on Revolut and manage your interactions on the platform. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Revolut's customer support.